Hazra. I work at the Centre for Applied Anatomy. I teach dental undergraduates oral biology. I noticed that the method of delivery was quite content heavy. We usually have 2 hours of lectures, followed by a 3-hour practical session of histology. I felt it would be easier to introduce the concepts with the new terminology prior to the actual lectures. This would give students the time to familiarise themselves with these new concepts so that they could be ready before the practical session. I realised it would be quite simple to put together an educational video which students could watch before the lecture. I didn't want to feature my face in the video and thought it would be better to concentrate on images which I had drawn to demonstrate the developmental processes. I decided to use a whiteboard to draw images beforehand, and I then used Camtasia to capture and then edit the video I had created. Camtasia recorded my voice as I spoke through the diagrams, and I was able to draw on the images I had drawn beforehand on whiteboard to then show the processes as we were going through the video. I've never tried to make a video prior to this, and I was surprised at how easy it was actually to make a few after I had tried the first on my own. It was simply a matter of getting to grips with the software. The drawing side of things was quite simple, as was the editing side of things. It was really easy to use Camtasia to edit out parts I didn't like. The digital education team were really helpful. Martin offered to meet up with me and lend me the equipment which I had to use and talked me through the processes. So in reality, I had to work out very little for myself. As I made more videos, I realised that it would be better to separate out the content into small mini videos. As I had to make quite a few anyway, I changed this as I was going along. Rather than having a video that was 8 minutes long, I split them into smaller videos of about 2 minutes long. I thought this would be easier for the students to take in. This approach was really born out of necessity. I found that I couldn't fit all of the content I wanted to into the lectures, and where I was trying to do this, I was losing the concentration from the students. I think I would like to implement this again, even for other modules which I teach, and to create little mini videos to demonstrate the anatomy of the skull. I've also considered using it for teaching dental morphology. From teaching courses I have previously completed, I know giving students the time to become comfortable with information will help to promote deeper learning. This was my main aim for this type of video. I was able to add quizzes into my videos following editing them. This was quite easy to do. I attended a course with the digital education team and was able to do this quite easily afterwards. It was really nice to do something that was creative. I don't get to do a lot of that during my day-to-day work, and I didn't realise I would enjoy it so much. Although it was really daunting to begin with, actually once I was used to the process, it was really easy to create a video. I realised that actually it could be quite helpful to re-explain a difficult concept which was introduced during the lecture. My top tip would probably be just to have a go. Your students will be really grateful for you introducing new content in a different way.